Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo on creating maps. The demo is based on the set of slides, Introduction to Maps. We have the Word document as well as the PowerPoint slides. And the examples are based on this Excel document, Global Superstore, which we have used before. So I have Tableau already open on my desktop. And next, let me establish the connection with this Excel document, Global Superstore. Okay, so we'll be using orders table in this Excel document. I can just double click it. And then suppose we have done everything to clean the document and now it's ready to go to the data visualization sheet. So we have used this table many times already. So here you can see we have several attributes which actually are location based. For instance, country. So we have country, state, and the city. So if we double click country, Tableau will understand that you want to create a map based on country. So you can see this world map is automatically created. Each dot represents a country. Suppose we don't want to show so many countries, we only want to see the US. So we can add country to the filter. And then you can see here we have the list of countries. And we can just switch to United States and check it. And then here is a check box that exclude. So you can exclude all those checked marked countries and then click OK. So now we are going to switch to the United States only. So let's also add states. So where is state? Yeah, add state. So double click state. And then we'll be working on the US map. So let's add profits to the color. So Tableau will create a color map with this diverging color scheme. So you can see the midpoint is 0 with from the negative profit to the positive profit with the minimum and the maximum. So what if you want to add something else like a profit? So we can further drag profit, not profit, sorry, sales to size. So now you can see size is used to represent, so the size of the circle is used to represent the sales. So maybe let's also add another filter called category. And let's only look at furniture to make it maybe easier to focus on this specific category. So we can increase the size to make it clear. And you can even further double click city to add another level if you want. So now you can see the circle. Within the circle, you have smaller circles representing each city. So this will give you another option to drill down to zoom into the specific data for each at the city level. So let's go back. So next, suppose we want to create something called dual access map. So what should we do? So I'm going to create another sheet and then repeat the steps we just did. Country. And then filter out the US. Sorry, only include US. and then double click state. So to create a dual axis map, you can either duplicate longitude or latitude. So which means you drag this longitude to next to itself or latitude next to itself. But you need to hold down the control key. So in this way, you're going to create two maps side by side, or if you double drag latitude, you have this up and bottom, these two maps. So suppose we use profit for the top. So here on the marks tab, you can see we have two actually latitude. So they represent these two maps. Or you have this all. So let's go to the top map. So represent this one. So we drag profit to color. So this will give you the color map with this divergent color scheme to represent the data for the attribute of profit. And then we can use, and then we can switch to the bottom map. Suppose we also want to see the sales. So let's use size. And instead of the automatic size, we can use square and change its color to black. Then after you have done everything for these two maps, you can actually merge these two maps. To merge these two maps, you just click any one of these or any one of this latitude, expand this drop-down menu, then you can choose dual axis. So then you should be able to merge these two maps. So this one is a little bit different from what we did before, you can see. So it's a little bit actually better to present this two-dimensional data for both profits and sales. And we can also look at the map layer. So if you go to map layer, it gives you the option to change the background from different kind of existing style, from light to normal to dark. You can show the street option, outdoor, and satellite. Okay, so let me switch back to normal. And then you can also change this washout level. And we have a list of check boxes you can use to switch to or include, exclude different options. So this gives you the flexibility to customize your map layers. So finally, I want to talk about the Mapbox option. So Mapbox is a website. So if you go to mapbox.com, so you can sign up for a free account. So it's pretty easy and quick after you create and sign up account and log in. So it should look like this kind of a interface initially. So you go to account. So your account may look a little bit different. So here shows you the plan, your username. So you can pick this menu and then go to Studio. So Studio is the place where you can actually choose and design different kind of map styles. So you can search and choose all the existing styles. Here I have all the 4 styles already listed, which I used before, you can see. Suppose I want to look at this light style again. So it shows you can see how it looks like. So we can also go back to look at another style. So here, these 3 dots shows you the menu, so you can choose detail. So on the right-hand side, there's one option called share. If you click it, it will give you an URL. So this is the URL we'll be using in Tableau. So copy this URL, then come back to Tableau. And then on top of the menu, go to Map, background map, add Mapbox map. So you can give it a name. Let's call it outdoor, and then paste the URL and click OK. So now we will be able to apply the outdoor style from Mapbox to our current Tableau project. So if you look at this background map, and the background map, you see this outdoor style is listed now, which you can use for your future projects. So on your map, you have this search option. You can type in the actual city name or address, or even zip code like 32224 for Jacksonville. So it will show you the search result. So let's go back to our previous map. Okay, so this is all I want to talk about for this demo. Please let me know if you have any questions.